I'm going to use this spray foam, black. I bought it off of Amazon in hopes that I wouldn't have to paint over it. So let's see if it's black. Certainly doesn't look black. Looks more like a gray. So I don't know if I need to shake it more so that it will, I don't know, mix the pigment in there. I'm not really sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray this can because it's fun. I'm just gonna spray anywhere I think that the air will get through into the greenhouse. I don't think it's black. I'll have to try the next can and see if shaking it more will darken it. But I'm gonna go ahead and use up this can as it is and see how far I get. We use a lot of expanding foam. I think about 6 cans between the white that expands about 3 inches and then what was supposed to be the black that expands only 1 inch. I probably could have used caulk in some of the areas, but once I got going, I just kept going. So I'm going to have a lot of foam to take a razor blade to, trim up, and then unfortunately what I thought was going to be black, this, it's more like a gray. I found out later that you're supposed to turn the can upside down to spray it. This is my first time doing this, so I didn't really know. So I sprayed it like a can of spray paint. So I don't know if I would have turned it upside down, if it would have moved that pigment around more to make it black. I have no idea, but I shook these cans so much and still had the same result. So I probably could have saved a little money and just used the white to get the same result. So that's where we're at. I just need to trim up all of this and spray over it. And after that, I will start looking into what kind of heating I want to do in here. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos and getting some good advice on what I could use. It does stay pretty decent in here when the sun is out. Obviously, if the sun isn't out, I'm not going to retain much of the heat. I went ahead and bought off of Amazon, a little thermometer, and it also gives me the humidity. It comes with 3 thermostats. You can see the top one is inside the greenhouse. The middle one is just outside the greenhouse, and the bottom one is in my art studio, which is part of our garage. So it's 10 degrees warmer right now because the sun is out and it's a beautiful day. So yeah, that's where we're at. We did reach our goal to get it done before November, or before mid-November. And now it's just, you know, pulling all the little things together, getting a heating source, getting my plants in here. And like I said, I've never done this before, so this is going to be quite the adventure, figuring out all the little things to regulating the temperature and humidity and airflow, just everything. So I'm excited to get going on that. This video concludes, at least for this part, series of our building our greenhouse. And just want to say thank you for everyone that watched and commented, and it's been fun. I look forward to beginning the next series of working in the greenhouse. So thanks for watching.